So welcome to this beautiful golf course facing 5-bedroom villa here in the heart of Victory Heights. This is vacant on transfer. It means you can move in immediately and the views are absolutely breathtaking. Just check out when we walk through right now. Take a look. Okay, so this is the front door. And in we walk. So we've got a 5-bedroom villa here. Let's just take you straight out to see the view because I know that's what you want to see first. I'm not going to do the toilet first. And here we have it. This is why we want this villa. Isn't this amazing? So this is your swimming pool. You're right here on the golf course. It's one of the best golf course views of all because you've got such a long stretch of fairway in front of you there, and you've got the tee here, the green, which means people aren't going to be hitting balls ferociously towards your house, which is always important. So anyway, let's go back inside the house and walk around so you can get a good feel for what is where in this 5-bedroom. And you know, these properties are now 12 years old and some parts of them have been upgraded. And then for most of you looking at properties like this, you're simply looking at the land, the location and the views. And then of course you're going to come in and do all sorts of changes. This floor has been upgraded. So let's just kind of go in order. Let's go around to the right first of all. We've got 1 bedroom downstairs and 4 bedrooms upstairs. So this is the first bedroom, which is being used as a study. There you have it. And a nice garden view out there. And then you've got the bathroom for that bedroom. This also works as the downstairs toilet as well. There's storage in there. And then if we come through to the main lounge area, so this is more the smarter lounge. Really nice. Now, just be aware that here you can extend. There's quite a lot of extension you can do on this house. So you could completely close in this square, and many homes have already done that. And then upstairs as well, I'll show you upstairs where that would also be the extension. So it just gives a lot more built up area to the house. And then if we walk in here, this is more of the living area. So you've got the dining area out to the garden and pool. And you know what's lovely? We've got the doors open and it's a beautiful temperature. It's like 25 degrees today in Dubai. So I can walk around and not sweat. And then we come into the kitchen, which has been fully upgraded. So that is really, really nice. You can see here. And that's really nice open plan kitchen out to the dining area. And then you have got a side door here, which I'll just show you down the side of the house. So you can get to the swimming pool there. You can get through to the front of the house there to your double garage as well. So let's just one more time take a walk around this swimming pool area. And I also want to show you the other side of the house out here. So at the moment you've got some, you know, this area which most people, as I said, would extend. You can also get around the side of the house there as well. Okay, now let's go upstairs. Just absolutely beautiful though. Really, really beautiful. So let's go upstairs and we can check out the 4 bedrooms. And one other thing down here, just by the kitchen, you've got the maid's room here. I'm not going to go in that door. Maid's room and bathroom, and this is your utility room with the washing machine. So now let's go upstairs. We've got 4 bedrooms up here. That's the front door. I mean, it's really beautiful looking home. Lots of space. On the bottom of the description, I've put the built up area and the plot size. So you've got an upstairs family living area, which is always nice. And this is such a green part of Victory Heights as well. Some people close that in and make it an office, but I think it looks quite nice like that. And then you've got 2 bedrooms up here. Here's 1 bedroom. Check out the view. Really amazing view. There we have it. And with its ensuite bathroom. Probably you're going to want to renovate these bathrooms, but they work perfectly well. Now, here is the upstairs balcony that you can fully close in and extend. And that is the lounge downstairs I mentioned that can be extended. So that gives that bedroom a lot more space. So this is the bedroom I'm talking about. And that is the balcony, which most people have actually closed in and extended. So it's otherwise a bit of a useless balcony upstairs. And then this bedroom has walk-in wardrobes and another bathroom with a bath. Again, you know, these are the older style bathrooms, so you very much can upgrade them. Okay, so now as we come through the rest of the house, you've got a little storage area there, and some people have made that into a cupboard. There's more cupboards here, just to check out the hallway upstairs. Got 2 more bedrooms, 1 more bedroom here, and what they've done here is, you can't build on that roof, but they have made it like a kind of roof garden, just so it looks more pretty and more private with flowers. So that's really, really nice little idea. And you walk into this ensuite bathroom here. There we have it. And leaving the best till last, the master bedroom. Here we have it. So it's got a lovely large walk-in area. And we'll go in the bathroom. So you've got a bath there, you've got a walk-in shower, so it's a good size. Again, most people have actually, that I've seen on house designs like this, they've completely gutted this whole walk-in wardrobe and bathroom and made it much more of an open plan bathroom. But again, it's up to you. And then here we have it. This is the master bedroom with a beautiful view. I mean, gosh, look at that. That really is why you're buying this home, because views like that are very, very rare in Dubai. So this is value for money in terms of location and view. This is a little kind of terrace. Again, I've seen people close this in and make that into a walk-in wardrobe or for handbags or shoes, because again, it's a bit of a useless terrace there. So lots of opportunity here to do up and give yourself more built up area. So my details are in the bottom of this description. Do get in touch with me. I'd love to come and bring you to this house. If you're buying from overseas and you don't have a bank account yet, you don't know how to do it, we can take care of the full financing, the full process. We have lawyers and bankers on hand when you purchase a property through us. And you know, a lot of my clients aren't able to get on the plane to travel, to transfer. So we do the entire process for you. And we've been doing that for 13 years. So thank you so much for watching my videos, and looking forward to helping you purchase this villa or one other here in Dubai. Take care.